Hello everybody, this is an experiment. The colors would bloom. Let me show you how. First we'll take 50 ml water in 5 cups. Then we'll add citric acid one by one in each cup. After putting one citric acid in each cup, you are going to mix it with a stick or whatever you have to mix. You will mix all of them nicely for 2 seconds. After mixing all of them, you are going to add red in the first cup. Red color. Only 1 drop of red color. Like this. You're going to add yellow and red in the second cup. 1 drop of red and then 1 drop of yellow. Now this would become orange. In the next cup, we have to put only yellow. After putting only yellow, in the next cup, you are going to again put yellow and blue. Let me grab some blue now. We'll add some blue in this one now with yellow. And in the last one, we'll again add blue. After adding them like this, you already see that it is mixing. And let us see them get mixed. This is becoming green, yellow, orange, and red last. Okay, so now all of our colors are done from red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Now let us see what do we have to do next. Next, we have to put 1 spoon of baking powder. We are going to put only 1 teaspoon of baking powder in each cup. And you will see them getting bloomed every second I put them. Let us see what does happen. Wow, it's blooming and it's making noise. Now you're going to put it in orange. These would happen for 5 to 10 minutes. These will keep on making noise. Then we are going to put it in yellow. Wow, it's becoming so nice. This would happen for 10 minutes in total. Now let us put it in green. Now we'll put it in blue. Wow, it's blooming so nicely. Now next, we are going to mix it with a stick again. I know that this is really cool. You could do this with any adult. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe, and keep on watching for more experiments.